Want to be at the center of your footage? Here's how. MavicMini offers an instant cinematic look with Circle. Take off and hover at least 2 meters above the ground before shooting. Open the DJI Fly app and choose Circle in QuickShots. Set the circle direction and select your subject by tapping plus on the subject or dragging a box around it. Tap Start and MavicMini will begin recording while flying in a circle around your subject using its current distance as the radius. To exit a QuickShot during shooting, tap the X on the right side of your screen, or short press the upper left button on the remote controller and the aircraft will stop and hover in place. After shooting, the app will automatically generate a 15-second video. You can preview the video you just finished in the playback interface, and you will find it has been automatically edited with background music. Tap the QuickShots icon in the bottom right to switch back to the original clip. You can also tap Edit at the bottom right of the screen to redo the edit. Don't forget to share your epic shot on social media.
Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.